In this video, we will talk about ways to boost your immune system. If you are determined to remember 2022 as the year that you improved your physical health and well-being, it's the benefit to familiarize yourself with a number of ways to boost your immune system. It can be easier to set that turn, but by knowing exactly where to begin, you can take steps toward becoming the healthiest version of yourself and improve your approach to diet, exercise in the process. Here are some ways to improve your well-being. Number 1. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. It may sound like a fairly obvious point, but in order to boost your immune system, you must eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. This can have a substantial impact on your physical health and well-being by lowering your blood pressure, reducing the risk of developing heart disease, preventing various different types of cancer, and regulating your appetite by keeping you fuller for longer. There are also excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fibers, so you can ensure you are doing everything that you can protect your body from a number of diseases and viruses and bacteria. Number 2. Incorporate superfoods in your diet. If your daily eating habits really include vitamin and mineral, it may be benefit to you to incorporate superfoods into your diet and boost your immune system and ward off any disease that may negatively impact your physical health and wellness. It is also a well-known fact that a number of superfoods can help to protect your organs from toxins and can make their way into the body, lower your cholesterol and regulate your metabolism so you can lose or gain the weight accordingly. Number 3. Perfect your sleep schedule. It may sound completely unrelated, but perfecting your sleep schedule, you can give your immune system a much needed boost at the same time. This is especially important if you suffer from insomnia and have found that your poor sleep schedule negatively impacts various other areas of your life. If they are suffering from infection, inflammation, or high stress levels. For example, your immune system is less likely to release cytokine protein, which essentially promotes sleep. Number 4. Minimize stress as much as possible. If you have a stressful job, it can be difficult, if not possible, to completely eliminate stress. It can, however, give your immune system a boost and prevent you from suffering from a number of stress-related health conditions such as diabetes, obesity, heart disease, depression, asthma, and anxiety. This is because when you are stressed, immune system's ability to successfully deflect the harmful antigens is significantly reduced. If you are looking for the ways to boost your immune system, there are several steps you can take to improve your physical health and wellness to protect your body from the suffering from unpleasant side effects of a number of diseases, viruses, and bacteria. This includes the eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and on daily basis, incorporating superfood in your diet, perfecting your sleep schedule, and minimizing the stress as much as you can. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest video and updates.